Hey guys, welcome to an escape wheel unboxing. I usually don't do these just because running out of time to do them, but also I think they're a little boring. But since this one I have not seen on eBay, I haven't seen it on YouTube yet. I haven't even seen it on video really, so I figured I might as well unbox it on camera for you guys. And yeah. So this one will be going out today. Wrist check, I got the Tandorio. Oh, why isn't it focusing? Why is it not focusing? There we go. Got the Tandorio. That review will be going out very soon. Either later today or tomorrow. So, what do we got today? Throw that off to the side. We've got an Octopus Kraken. This is my first Octopus watch. Comes in a pretty solid case. Let's pop it open and see which one we got. I think I know which one they sent me. So this was provided by the Octopus Kraken store on AliExpress. Huge thank you goes out to them. I don't have to send it back. And this will be getting the full review. So, okay, so I thought I was stupid and couldn't figure it out, but it was just sealed tight. I actually had to pry it open. You could hear it release the air pressure. So here it is. And let's just get it out of the box. Get it out, get it out, get it out. So you can see it comes with all the manuals and stuff like that. Blah, 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 no one cares. I will be back in just a second. Alright, and there you go. So this is the Octopus Big Crown pointer date homage. And you can see that it is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, they really had it wrapped up nicely. I'm not seeing any pre-patina on this thing. It was funny, I was actually just watching Gary from I Like Watches. He unboxed a bronze diver from the Octopus store. And he had the same comments. Very clean, very minty, and showing no signs of patina. This has the PT 5000 movement that you can see through the case back here. Looking really, really good. And yeah, I mean, this thing just looks great. Looks really, really good. I love it. That green dial looks wonderful. This is going to be a really nice Christmas watch, I think. So let me see, check the alignment here. The alignment looks really good. Got no complaints with the alignment. So yeah, I believe everything is working as it should. Let's see here, hand winding seems fine. Screw in, screw out action seemed fine. Yeah, this is really nice. So let me just do some quick shots for you, just so you can kind of see it. I do really like. Why'd I have to stop there? Let's go to the 1010-ish. So there you go. The yeah, it looks really, really good. I'm going to show you some of the side profiles. Just do a really nice quick shot for you guys so you can see all the different angles on this thing. Because I know some of you guys just want to see this. You just want to see it before you buy it. So yeah, I can already tell that this is a nice watch. Gary seems to be very impressed with it as well. At least Octopus in general. I don't think he's reviewed this piece. I think I'm the first one to actually have this on YouTube. So yeah, I do really, really like it. Looks nice and thin. And yeah, looks good. How's the strap? Strap looks, feels pretty stiff right now, but you can see it kind of changing color as you twist it. That's a good sign. Seems pretty flexible here. And yeah, looks really good. The buckle on it, really nice buckle. Got the Octopus logo on it. And yeah, I don't have anything to charge. Well, this flashlight needs some batteries, but let's see here. Turn off the light. And yeah, you can see it's glowing pretty good already. So I expect the lume to be pretty good on this thing. Yeah, it looks really good, guys. $276 is retail. I've seen it drop to like $250. PT5000, tin bronze case, sapphire crystal, exhibition case back, screw down crown, screw down case back. I believe it is 100 meters water resistant. Nice strap. Let's see anything special here. It does have a branded wiping cloth and a signed, hey, look at that, signed warranty card. That's amazing. That logo is pretty cool though. I do like that. So yeah, overall, really happy with it so far. Obviously, this will be getting the full review, so stay tuned. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.